When talking about Cantonese people's favorite dim sum, besides shrimp dumplings, shrimp roll cake, and shrimp shumai, there must be coconut lava custard buns. These are must-order snacks in Cantonese tea houses. A close look reveals coconut lava custard bun flakes as snow on a cute wheat bun. Break it open to find the creamy salted egg yolk filling that oozes out when lightly squeezed. With such an appealing look and tempting taste, it's a definite hit. More importantly, these delicious coconut lava custard buns are incredibly easy to cook, no need to defrost. Just place them in a steamer, steam for 8 minutes after the water boils, and they're ready to enjoy, so convenient. Freshly steamed coconut lava custard bun emit a light fragrance. A gentle bite reveals a soft and tender bun with a flavorful, sandy textured salted egg yolk filling. Whether on a family table or in a restaurant, for breakfast or a main meal, these buns are perfect to share. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.